Hello everyone, this is me Rimad Ahmed and I am back with another great tutorial about Project Euler Problems. For those of you who don't know about Project Euler, it's a website that provides programming problems. You have to solve them and you have to put the answer back to the website so it will tell you whether the answer is right or not. So let's start with the first problem. The first problem is multiples of 3 and 5. So let me read it. If we list all the natural numbers below 10 that are multiples of 3 or 5, we get 3, 5, 6 and 9. The sum of these multiples is 23. Find the sum of all the multiples of 3 or 5 below 1000. So we are going to solve this problem in Python. I have opened up Python shell in my computer. So as you know, we need to check all the natural numbers below 1000. So first of all, let's create a list called nums and we will make the list from 1 to 1000. This will have our list below 1000. Let's check the last element of the list and it's 999. So next what we want to do, we have to calculate the sum of those numbers that are multiple of 3 or 5. So to calculate the sum, we need some kind of variable. Let's create a variable and name it sum of multiples. Let's put its value equals to 0. Now we have to check for each of the elements in the array, in the list. Let's traverse each of the element of list. Let's write for I in nums. What this will do, it will iterate over each of the item and use it in the variable I. Now I'm gonna check if I is totally divisible by 3 or if I is totally divisible by 5. In any of these conditions, because we have put an OR in it, it will check for if any of these is true, it will do the following thing. So what we are gonna do here, we will just write sum of multiples equals to I plus sum of multiples. What this will do, it will keep on adding the number I into the sum of multiples variable, and at the end of the loop we will have the sum of all the natural numbers that are below 1000 and that satisfy this condition, that is that the I variable divides completely by 3 or it divides completely by 5. So let's run this and see where we have got. Now let's print the variable sum of multiples and see what its value is. So yeah, we have got the value 233168. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure you leave a like to show your support.